that's the face of it. So normally we go down 75mm with a 10 hook, and across the top there, one side was going to be 140 with a 10 brake, and the other side going to be 160 with a 10 brake. Now the piece we're going to do at the back of the roof, it's going to need a little bit of fall on it. We've got a 5-degree slope on the roof, so we'll make that 85 degrees, tighten it up a little bit. And usually I like to cover the back section a bit more, so we'll make that 180mm with a 10 brake. Okay, I'll just work out the length that I need these to be. Just do an arrow to the side that you want the colour on. Obviously we're going to have it on the top of the barge capping. You awake now, Aiden?
A little bit.
Okay. Let's measure these side bits, mate. You just hold it a little bit past. We want it a little bit long. 2.7. And this back piece,